Sheila is all up in the do. Wow, she wanna be on camera. Okay, I get it. You wanna be a star, don't we all? Oh, baby, oh, Sheila. Okay. Hey y'all, Atavia here, and as you can see in the title of this video, today I'm doing a thrift haul because I went online thrift shopping. There's this amazing website called ThredUP. Well, don't look at that. Don't look at my address. Called ThredUP, and I picked up quite a few items to revamp my wardrobe during quarantine. Because just because we're in quarantine don't mean I don't want to feel cute. So I went shopping and I'm doing a haul. And I know I haven't done one of these hauls in a minute, and I'm like, girl, why? If you want to be notified when I do post new videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, as well as the little notification bell that's right next to it. So let's get into the haul, shall we? So this first item I picked up is actually originally from Fashion Nova. It was brand new. The tag was still on it when I got it from ThredUP. And we all know how these fashion brands charge way too much for their quality of clothing. Their stuff doesn't last more than 2 wears, and we're paying like 40 bucks for a crop top. Everything that I got in this haul was about 15 bucks or less, because I like to shop smart, not necessarily more expensive. My total for everything was about, I'm gonna say $130, and I got, as you saw, a box full of clothing. So that's all I'm saying, shop secondhand. So this first item I got is this army green crop top from Fashion Nova, and honestly this is pretty simple for me, but since I've been in quarantine, I've noticed how much of a bum I look when I'm at home in my pajamas, and I was like, hold on, I can't be so cute when I go out and then when I'm at home look absolutely horrendous. Let's be real. So I did buy some very basic pieces just to kind of revamp my sleepwear. Little things like that matter more than you think, because I don't normally wear little hoodies, I don't, but when I'm at home, yes, this is perfect to look cute and chic and fashionable while also being super comfortable. And I got this in a size large. Okay, the next item, as I said before, I got a lot of staple pieces to revamp my wardrobe, and I desperately needed a freaking sports bra. Like a high impact sports bra that actually holds the girls. So I got this purple sports bra from Nike, and it also comes with this breathable mesh back, which is super cool, super nice for working out, because I'm a sweaty girl when I work out. I'm sweaty, y'all didn't need to know that, but I am, and now you know. It's a very comfortable bra, and I got it in a size smaller because like I said, I want to be held in. I'm tired of bouncing around, it's so annoying. And I got this in an extra large. The next item I got is this gray dress. Now honestly, if we're gonna be honest, when I put it on, it's a dress from ASOS, and it's a size US 12. And this material, I don't know what it is about this material, but it just clings to my body in the weirdest way, and I don't like it. But I decided to keep it because I kind of wasted oil on it, so I wasn't gonna be shady and try to return it. So kind of stuck with it. I don't know why I got this material. It looks very odd. It didn't look like this material on the website, but again, I didn't read the details. If I just would have read the details, I would have known that I didn't like this material, but here I am with this material. I think what I don't really care for about it is that it has a seam down the middle of each boob area, and that just provides a weird shape to me. I don't like it. next item. The next item I got, as I said, another little basic staple item for lounging around the house because I was tired of looking like a whole dub, a whole grandma in my moo-moo. So I got these cute shorts. You know, you always see girls with these cute little loungy shorts and they just look so comfortable and cute. And I was trying to be comfortable and cute too. So I brought these shorts. But what surprised me about these shorts specifically is that they come with like ventilation. At first, when they sent it to me, I was like, I don't know. They sent me these shorts that are like super ripped. What's up with that? But no, it's just the booty ventilation, leg ventilation. I've never seen that before. These are in the size extra large and they're from Champion. Next item. Ooh, I got some items that I'm really excited about that I got a great deal on and I'm so excited to share it with y'all. This next item I got, another lounging piece, cute, comfortable, cash, cozy. This one's a long line cardigan that's in a beigey tan color. It's long. I wanted something long that was cute to lounge around in, but could also be worn outside and still be fashionable, you know what I mean? And it's very comfortable, actually, very cozy. So in my mind, I was like, oh, I'm gonna have a nice long cardigan that goes to my mid-calf, and then I realized I'm 5'10", so the reality of that happening that easily is not very real. This is in a size large. Okay. Ooh, ooh, yes, yes, the cute items are coming out. The really cute ones. Ooh, what's this? Oh, I forgot what I brought. Ooh, what's that? Ooh, see y'all? I'm getting excited just looking at this box. So I also got these lounging kind of workout shorts. I'm starting to get comfortable working out in shorts, which has never been my case, but they're really comfortable and they make your butt look great. So I like to wear workout shorts now. So I got these. They're really, really soft. This material is like, ooh, I haven't worked out in them, so I don't know if they're gonna pill, but it has this mesh. As you can see, it's actually kind of see-through. I can kind of see my hand through it. So yeah, these are these shorts. And they're in a size extra large. Next items. These are the ones I'm excited about to share with y'all. First, we're gonna start with this one, which is from Fashion Nova as well. I'm pretty sure this one was brand new too. And this one was in the size large. It's this nice dress that's a little shorter than I thought. Again, I underestimated my height. Sometimes I be thinking I'm gonna have a nice mid-thigh dress. Nope. Right under the booty. That's okay, I'm gonna work with it. It's a gray sweater dress, but it's super lightweight. It still works for spring. And it has a tie waist detail. Ooh, this material is so soft. And also, I need to show you guys this neck detail. I'm a sucker for kind of cut out things. When I saw this, I was like, I have to get it. I don't know why I've been loving this kind of cut out look lately. It just adds some interest to me. And this is right on the neck, so it shows a little bit of shoulder without showing too much shoulder. So I feel cute, but also covered. That's this item in a size large. So the next item I have is this long black skirt. I don't know what the heck this material is. And when I first got it, I was like, what? You know, because I just wanted a long black maxi skirt. I have this image in my mind, this outfit that I want to make, and I've been wanting to recreate it for years. And I haven't found a good maxi skirt. But I got this black maxi skirt. And as you can see, this material is not typical. It's a very fitted material for a maxi. This is not gonna sound attractive, but it reminds me of a tablecloth. And it's so interesting. It also has this lining underneath that is satin. It seems like a very high quality skirt. I'm very excited to pair this with like a graphic tee and some Converse. It gives me very Carrie Bradshaw vibes. This is in a size 14. Okay, now this next item is from a company that I didn't think I would ever revisit because I did do a haul from them and their clothes were like odd. But when I saw this item, I was obsessed. It's this nice, I don't know what the style is called. I say tea time, tea time shirt. French girl classic, very on trend right now. It's red, it's flowy, it's frilly, it's lightweight, it's breathable. It's from Nasty Gal. It's in a US 16. And again, this item is brand spanking new and I got it for maybe 15 bucks, 13 bucks, one of those bucks. Next item is this dress from ASOS. I am obsessed with ASOS's clothing and I've been obsessed with their trend of double patterns. I think it's so clever. I'm like, oh my gosh. It's like, it makes me the happiest girl in the world to have a single item with 2 different patterns on it. And I have a similar dress like this from ASOS. It's the long dress with long sleeves and it has like polka dots and then floral. It's pretty much the same dress, but this one is a short sleeve wrap dress. And this dress is a size 14. I love it. I can't wait to wear it whenever we're allowed to go outside again. And even if we don't, I'm gonna still wear it outside and just frolic in the driveway. Your love is rated X. That means you're extra. That's how to be in the club. Just with this one side. And now we've come to the final item. Drum roll, please. Of course, it's another ASOS item. Like I said, I really love ASOS's clothing. Look at it. Look at her. I've never had anything like this in my wardrobe. In fact, in the past, I would notoriously skip items that came with ruching like this because I thought it would be unflattering on my body type. But then I put it on and I knew what love felt like. Although I'm not the biggest fan of dresses this short, but the way that this dress is, since it is ruched, it comes with this kind of fittedness that like hugs right under the butt. So if I were to bend over or something, I wouldn't feel exposed because it's tight. And it also has a deep neckline. And that's why I'm so excited to be able to wear this during the springtime. I would layer it with something probably, because I'm not the biggest fan of showing my T-tiles. I'm really not. But sometimes the T-tiles are just there. Boy, if you don't. So that's this ruched dress from ASOS in a size 14 as well. All right, y'all, so I got about 9 items for all under 130 bucks from brands like Fashion Nova, Nasty Gal, ASOS. I mean, that's an amazing deal, which is why I love ThredUP so much, because you get so much bang for your buck. And not only that, it's a consignment shop. So you can send in your clothing and make money from that to use on more clothing, which I think is one of the smartest, most ethical ways that we can shop sustainably and continue pushing more sustainable practices in fashion, which is why I wanted to share this video. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up so I know that you guys like these kind of videos, and I'll continue to make more in the future. And if you watch this haul all the way through to the end, make sure you comment down below. Let me know what was your favorite item. Also, I'll be sure to leave a link to ThredUP down below so you can start shopping. And that's all I have for this week's video. Until next time, bye y'all. Oh, she cute. I need to take photos. Hold on. And she look kind of cute too.